Step 5. Insert or remove image. Multi-column databases in Excel working with this program can be divided into 8 steps. The 5th step shows how to add or remove an image for each identification number. If an identification number is selected, 2 buttons, Insert Picture and Delete Picture, are visible. An image is added with the Insert Picture button. An image is removed with the Delete Picture button.